Talking about the Indian Parliament now, both the houses of the Parliament witnessed disruption on Thursday. In the lower house of the Lok Sabha, the first adjournment came soon after the House began its sitting amidst sloganeering from the opposition. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla condemned the opposition leaders for not behaving according to the rules and protocols of the Parliament. He also reprimanded the opposition leaders for wearing T-shirts in the House that had slogans written in them and asked the leaders to change it. On the other hand, Rajya Sabha saw multiple adjournments amid protests from the opposition. The chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Jagdeep Thankar, first adjourned the House till 12:15 p.m. IST and then again till 2 p.m. IST before it was adjourned for the entire day. Jagdeep Thankar called for a meeting of the floor leaders on something which he saw in the House and did not like. Both the houses were adjourned, have been adjourned rather, for the day. And to get us the latest from Parliament, I am joined by DD India correspondent Dipendu. Dipendu, good afternoon. There has been a lot of sloganeering, a lot of messages being sent across through the help of the T-shirts. Take us all that happened throughout the day in both the houses today, Dipendu.
Well, Deepika, good afternoon from here in New Delhi. Of course, the Parliament session, the second half of the budget session of Parliament is underway here in New Delhi. And of course, the budget session, which was functioning smoothly till yesterday, saw multiple disruption since the sitting of both the houses, which convened at about 11 a.m. This morning. In fact, both the houses have currently been adjourned till tomorrow 11 a.m. because following disruption in the Lok Sabha, the disruptions were being created by DMK member of parliaments where they had been wearing some T-shirts which were talking about delimitation, when of course which of course the Speaker Om Birla did take objection to it and reprimanded the opposition MPs to maintain decorum within the House. And of course, the DMK was also holding posters against the delimitation, which is of course not even been finalized, and protesting within the House. So which is the reason the smooth functioning of the House, in fact the Lok Sabha could not take place, and after facing multiple adjournments, one at 12, in fact one at 11, soon after convening, then again at 12, then again when the House reconvened for the third time at 2 o'clock, despite the Speaker's repeated request towards the opposition to let the House function smoothly, the House had to be adjourned because the disruptions continued. And similar was the case in the Rajya Sabha, where demands for grants for the different ministry as well as the discussions on the working of the Home Ministry was underway. Disruptions were being created by the opposition leaders, after which the chairman of the Rajya Sabha had to take a call and adjourn the House multiple times, and after which at about 2:01 p.m. Here, according to the Indian Standard Time, the House had to be adjourned because the opposition did not cede to in fact the demands of the chair to let the House function smoothly. And of course, it will now reconvene tomorrow at about 11 a.m. when both the houses will sit to discuss and debate over the demands of grants and multiple other key important bills and reports of the government.
All right, thank you so much, Dipendu, for joining us and bringing us the latest from the ongoing budgetary session of Indian Parliament.